Yamaha utilizes state-of-the-art computer-aided design and manufacturing, ensuring every 14F4 mouthpiece offers exceptional precision and consistency. This mouthpiece features a distinctive V-shaped cup and a generous inner rim diameter of 16.76 millimeters, which helps produce a characteristically warm and mellow tone. It is an ideal choice for professional musicians, especially in studio environments, who require a rich and focused sound for their performances. The semi-flat rim contour is designed for player comfort, while the standard backbore provides a balanced response and ease of playing across the instrument's range. An extra thick layer of silver plating not only gives it a beautiful finish, but also significantly enhances its durability for years of reliable use. While its standard shank taper is designed to fit most flugelhorns, this mouthpiece is particularly renowned for helping players achieve that classic velvety flugelhorn sound.